Hello and welcome to another edition of NOFOMO's completely biased campsite review. Today we are at Wright Lake in Apalachicola National Forest on the Florida Panhandle in December of 2020. This is another of those primitive campsites in Apalachicola National Forest, similar to Camel Lake that we were here. The major difference is that there are no hookups at all, even though the sites have all running water, but we're not sure yet whether it's potable water or just water for washing up, but we'll find out. I don't know the number of sites, but from the numbering I would say there's roughly 20 sites all around. A few of those sites are reservable online, and the remaining ones are walk-in, first come first serve. As you can see here right now, there's 2 hosts, 1, 2, 3 spots occupied besides ours. We are at site 18, which is normally one that you need to reserve. We would have stopped at 17, which is a walk-in site right here at the lake. However, the host told us that the person who's reserved it moved over to the other side because there used to be a person next door with a huge generator that drove the guy crazy, and even though he's got a small generator apparently, but that bothered him as well. So the host told us to go ahead and camp out here on site 18 because the other guy has it anyway reserved until Saturday, and we might only be here 2 to 3 days. There is a central kind of bathhouse here behind me. I haven't checked out. I think they're pit toilets. Not sure if there's showers yet, but I'll put that into notes. Otherwise, there's supposed to be a young bear roaming the area, not aggressive, but apparently not that scared of humans, so we were told that we need to be super sure to keep all the food away when we're not at the campsite, because otherwise the bear will come and visit it and us. So I think that was pretty much it. It's nice and quiet, but obviously we're still in gun hunting season, so hiking around the area will be somewhat limited, or also requiring some high visibility gear so that you're not accidentally confused for a deer. Hopefully I'll speak to you in the future, because then you'll know that this has worked out. But yeah, I hope you had fun. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and follow us on our travels around the US and across the world eventually.